What is going on YouTube, and welcome to the video of Packy Kicks. This is your Pakistani his savior, bringing you guys another video. And for today's video for you guys today, I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. I got one more recent sneaker pickups here in the mail, and I'm really excited to open this sneaker pickup because it came directly from Sneakers and Stuff. But before I get into the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as hit the like button as well. I'd really appreciate you guys did that for me. I'd appreciate the support. But with all that being said though, let's get into our pickup for today. Like I stated before, this recent pickup of mine came directly from Sneakers and Stuff. And Sneakers and Stuff, when they do different hype releases, they do an online raffle. And I have not won a Sneakers and Stuff raffle in like 2 years. And I finally won another one this week, and I'm so happy because this shoe came out this week. It was really supposed to come out this past weekend, but they moved it to Tuesday, and it was actually a shoe that I like really wanted badly. And I'm really glad I won the Sneakers and Stuff raffle. I feel pretty blessed, and I'm really glad to be able to get it for retail for sure, because I didn't want to pay resale at all. So what the shoe that's in here is going to be a Yeezy model. But with all being said though, let's get right into the box and let me show you guys what I did pick up. So I'm gonna grab my scissors here and we'll open the box up. Taking the shoe out, as you guys can see, we have a 700 in front of the box right here. And knowing what came out this past week, this is probably one of the best Yeezys to come out this week. It is a Yeezy release. Obviously in the back you see we have Adidas, and I'm really glad I had this shoe because in my opinion this is the best Yeezy to come out this year so far, and I'm really looking forward to showing you guys what I got. I'm really looking forward to seeing the shoe for the first time. So opening this box up, getting the shoes, and oh wow, these are really nice in person. So as you guys can see, I got the Yeezy 700 V3 in the Azureth colorway, if I'm saying that correctly. I know some people call it Arzareth, but yeah, it says Arzareth, but okay, I'll just say it that way since that's what the name of the colorway is. But here you guys go. That is the shoe I got in my hand, and looking at it, I really like this shoe a lot. I think the Yeezy 700s are the best Yeezys to release with Kanye's Adidas line. I think the Yeezy 700s are the best Yeezys to release in terms of Kanye's Adidas line, and I really like all the 700s that come out. They're really nice. The models are super unique, and I was missing a V3 model. I do have the V2s and the original Wave Runners, so I definitely want a V3 for my Yeezy 700 collection. And I'm finally glad I got it in this colorway because you don't really see too many blue Yeezys on the market, so I'm definitely glad that they did release one, and I'm glad to have it. Overall, the shoe is really nice as well, just different, unique with a little translucent stuff and the little knit upper and everything like that. On the back, got Adidas branding right there, so I'm definitely feeling the shoe a lot. I'll probably get into more detail on this sneaker when I do a review on it. I do plan on doing a review for this sneaker as well as a ton of other sneakers as well. I have a lot of shoes I want to point out and give you guys an on-feet look at, so stay tuned for that for sure. But I just want to do a quick little unboxing for you guys today on this sneaker. The lacing system real quick is different on these because it has those little pull laces on it. I do see in the box it does have our spare laces right here, but I'll get into more detail on that when I do the actual review. But I just want to do a quick little unboxing for you guys today on this Adidas Yeezy Boost or Yeezy 700 V3 in the Arzareth colorway. And like I said before, this is my opinion, it's probably the best Yeezy to come out this year. So definitely let me know what you guys do think of this colorway right here. Do you guys like this shoe? Do you guys hate it? Let me know in the comments below. Like I said before, please make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate you guys did that for me, and it just help us support this channel and keep us moving forward, moving on up towards a big goal. So I'm really hoping you guys do that for me. Also, please make sure to follow my Instagram at Hasib_Mian. The Instagram's on the bottom left corner of this video. And once again guys, I appreciate you for watching today's video and for all the support. Thank you for watching. Peace. Never see the sun, always see the night. Gang just like fam, no.